Good morning children, welcome to our video lecture. Today we are going to study lesson number 11 in geography, that is counter map and landforms. In your textbook you can see page number 69. There is an activity which you have to perform. Now here it is given in standard 5th you have gathered some information about how height and relief are shown. Relief is the depth, are shown on the map. Now carry out the following activity on the same topic under the guidance of your teacher. Now children, as we know, in this pandemic situation we are studying from online and thus we are not able to meet face to face. So it is already given in your textbook page number 69. I will also read and show you all the steps which have to be done. You can do this activity at your home under your parents' guidance so that you don't get any cut or you don't get any harm for yourself. And you can do this activity so that the things are more clear to you or you can understand it very well. So let's get started. We will start looking at what is given here. First, what you have to do is take a large oblate shaped potato and other required items are shown above. So what you have to do, you have to take a big potato. See here it is, which is having a oblate shape. Now oblate shape is, it is broad at the center and it is becoming thinner at the other part. Okay, so it is broad, that is oval kind of, you can say, which is broad at the center and which is going on becoming thin at its pointed or at its edges. So like this potato you can take. Then after that, second step what you have to do is observe how the potato appears when seen from the front and when seen from above. So when you are seeing the potato, observe how it is from front, and when you look it from the above, from up, how it appears or how you can see that. Okay, when you see it from front and when you look it from above, it looks like a mountain. Okay, see, you can see it looks like a mountain. It is a pointed part here and then it goes on increasing. It is narrow pointed part, see, and it goes on increasing like this. Okay, draw an outline of the potato in your notebook. They had given here, you have to draw an outline of a potato in your notebook. Cut the potato into the two parts so that each part has a flat base. So you have to cut the potato in two parts so that at the center you will have a flat base like this. Raise the cut half of its flat base and measure its height in millimeters. Now what you will do, the cut part of the potato you will keep it down, okay, as a base, and you will measure the height with the help of a scale in millimeters. The next what you will do is, this is our potato hill. Now this is our potato hill. The tapering side of the potato is hilltop. So the tapering side, the narrower part which is going on the top, it is the hilltop. Draw two circles each going round the hill, one near the top and the other close to the base. Keep sufficient distance between the circles. The circles near the top will be smaller. So you have to draw two circles which are shown here. You can see like this, two circles you have to draw around the potato. And then you have to, now the teacher will slice the potato on these circles. Now you have to cut the potato. Do not separate the slice. Insert a toothpick or a piece of pointed sticks through the slices vertically. So we don't have to separate it. We have to put a toothpick so that all the slices of the potato remain attached or they remain together. Now one by one we will start drawing. Do not separate the slices. Insert a toothpick or a piece of pointed stick through the slices vertically. Now without removing the toothpick, place the sliced potato on the piece of paper. Moving a pencil along the edge of the lowest slice, draw its outline. It will be nearly circular in shape. After that, what you have to do? After drawing the outline, pull the toothpick upwards, remove the lowest slice delicately and keep it aside. Repeat the same procedure for the other two slices. So accordingly, you are going to get like this 3 circles. One by one you have to remove the slices and you have to draw the circle. Observe the figure that is formed after the exercise is complete. You will note that you have drawn 3 concentric circles. Concentric is the size of the circle is going on decreasing. Write the height of the potato that you have measured earlier in the center of the innermost circle. Measure the thickness of all the slices you have kept side. Give value 0 to the outermost slice. How will you give the values to the other lines? Think about it. Do you think that the thickness of each slice that you have measured can help you? After assigning, that is deciding the values to each circle, our sketch of the potato hill will be complete. So this is a sketch which we have got. It is 0, then it is 30, then it is 60. Okay, so like this we have got the picture. Your picture will look like this. Experiment activity which you will do, it will look like this. Okay, now from this what we are able to understand. While studying different landforms on the surface of the earth, one has to take into consideration various effects of landforms like altitude, relief, slope, direction of slope and the drainage. So we have to check the altitude, that is the height, the reliefs, the ups and downs, the slope, slanting part, direction of the slope, in which direction the slope is, in the north direction, south direction, east, west, which direction, and the drainage. Drainage is the river or the water which is flowing. For this, maps prepared using particular method are used. So there are different maps which are prepared by different methods. These are known as the counter maps. These maps help us to understand the above characteristics of the landforms. These maps are of immense use to mountaineers, trackers, soldiers, defense officers, etc. So usually these maps which are made, they are of lots of use to the mountaineers, the people who are climbing on the mountain, the trekkers, those who are doing trekking, soldiers, defense officers and other people. These maps prove to be of great use in the planning for the region too. So if we want to make a planning to develop a certain region, these maps are very useful. A 3D model is given in the figure 11.3. So 11.3 you can see they have given a 3D model. If you on the land, or if there is a like this 3D model where you can see there are some mountains they had shown which are little bit, if you touch that, not in your book but actually when this particular model is there, when you touch that you can see that there is some, it is not plain like a paper. You can experience, okay, this part is up, means here you can experience there is a mountain, this part is down, this part is plain, it means it is a river basin. Okay, here it is Jejuri they had shown, maybe they will show like a mountain or there is a flag or something. Okay, so this is a model of the northern part of the model, shows the basic of the river Mula Mutta. To its south is the Kathraj Devgarh range extending from the west to the east. Beyond that, some portion of Karha basin is seen. Now this is what they have given about the counter maps. So the counter maps are nothing but the maps which are drawn. Here also you can see the counter maps are nothing. See, this is model of the earth's surface, counter line map. These are the maps which are drawn with the approximity or which are drawn for the people to understand about it with the help of the certain things, or with taking the measurement or the height of the certain places. Okay, so with this we have completed with this lesson. We have completed with the portion of geography. Children, please see that you all read the textbook. Along with your videos, you have to read your textbook so that you are able to understand what is explained in the video. Very important. Take care, stay safe and study well. Okay, thank you.